Is your iPhone's weather app not working and leaving you clueless about the forecast? No need to stress. I've got some quick and simple fixes to help get your weather app up and running. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Check location services. Open settings, tap privacy and security, tap location services. Make sure location services is turned on. Scroll down and select weather. Choose while using the app or always. Solution 2. Offload and restart the weather app. Open setting, tap general, tap iPhone storage. Scroll down, find out weather app. Tap offload again, tap reinstall. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Enable background data for the weather app. Open setting, tap general, scroll down, tap background app refresh. Tap background app refresh again. Make sure to set the cellular data Wi-Fi. Also make sure your Wi-Fi and cellular data is actively working. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open settings, tap general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then select reset network settings. Confirm the reset and check the weather app after your iPhone restarts. That's all for fixing the weather app on your iPhone. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.